Hello, guys. It's Thursday now. We are going to start our calendar. We're getting close to Friday and the weekend. Okay, let's begin. All right, today is a new day. We have our start, and the month is still November. So, what comes after 11? 12. So, it is November the 12th. It is Thursday. So, today is Thursday, November the 12th of 2020. Yesterday was Veterans Day, and it was Wednesday. Tomorrow is going to be Friday, or Miss Horton says, Fry-yay. It's Fry-yay. Okay, now let's write this. November is the 11th month. We are on the 12th day of November, and the year is 2020. Now let's spell out November. We start with a capital N, and then O, V, E, M, B, E, R. November. All right, let's add another hat. So how many days of November have we had so far in school? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's still in the ones place. We haven't filled up one of these 10 frames, so we can't go to 10 yet. So it's only 6. All right, let's do our number pattern. It's not really a pattern. We're going to keep counting backwards. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. All right, let's do our picture. Let's do a hat. Let's do hat and turkey. Our pilgrim hat and our turkey. So A and B. Here's our A. Here's our B. Here's our A. And here's our, oops, Miss Horton was going to grab another A. We need to go to B. B. I'm going to grab another one down here and go A and B. Now let's circle our A and B and see how many we have. So here's an A and here's a B. So let's circle those. 1, 2, 3, and here's 4. Wow, we have 4 AB patterns now. Okay, so we have been to school for a whole nother day. So let's add our square. Remember, this is our tens column over here, and each of these sticks or rods have 10 squares in them. So let's count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I got to count my ones. So I'm at 40. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh my goodness, we've been at school for 50 days. All right, so let's add another 10 frame here, or I'm sorry, circle. Look at there. All of our 10 frames right now that we have circles in are filled up. So we could count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's go back. We're going to do something pretty cool. So we have 10 squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, each of these rods have 10 in them. So we're going to exchange these 10s and put a rod over here. So let's go ahead and put a rod over here. So we're just going to bring one of these down, and then we are going to exchange. So now we have 10. So let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh my goodness. Same thing with our tally marks. Remember, after you get to 4 lines, your 5th one is crossed. So now we have all crossed tally marks, and that still gives us 50. We can count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right. We are halfway to 100. We're at 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we've been to school for 6 days in November. So let's add in. These two are partners, and no one's by themselves here, so that means that 6 is an even number. Even number. He has a partner. All right, let's do our fact family. So let's try the number 8. Number 8. And let's try 7. 8 and 7. 8 plus 7 gives me 15. It's a big number. So if I want to do 7 plus 8, that's still going to give me 15. We're using our fact families. Even if we switch these two numbers around, they're still going to give us 15 when we add them together. Now let's take our big number 15, and we're going to start taking some away from 15. So 15, we're going to take away 8 of those. If we take 8 away, we're going to get 7. Let's try it again. 15, and we're going to take away 7 this time. And that's going to give me 8. Pretty cool how we can use our fact families. Okay. All right. It is still the season of fall. We'll do our graph when we get back to school. Let's try some money. Okay, so we have been in school for 50 days. We have 50 cents. 50 cents. We could do this a whole bunch of different ways. Remember, the 50 cents goes after the decimal. We have $0 because it takes 100 pennies to make a dollar. So 50 cents. Now, Miss Horton could get all these pennies here and add in 50 pennies. Miss Horton could also get a dime because a dime is worth 10 cents. I could add in 5 of those. Miss Horton could also get a quarter. We talked about a quarter a little bit when you guys were here. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. So if I do 25 plus 25 more, then that is going to give me 50 cents. 50 cents. Okay, so we have 25 plus 25. There's many different ways we can do 50 cents. Okay. Our big hand points for our minutes, and it's at 12, which means we're at 0 minutes. We haven't started to go around the clock just yet. Our hour hand is our little hand, and he's facing 1 o'clock. It could be 1 a.m., which would be in the morning, or it could be 1 p.m., and that could be in the afternoon. So remember, we're talking about 3D shapes now. This is a pyramid. There's some pyramids in Egypt. We'll have to see some pictures of those, but they are super, super cool. This is a pyramid. A pyramid, it has 1, 2, and you can't see the other side, but it has 1, 2, 3 sides on here, and it has a bottom. So it actually has 4 sides in total, and we'll play around with that once we get back to school. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 you can't see, but 5 vertices. And my pyramid is blue. Let's look at what the pyramids in Egypt. See what they look like. All right. Wow, look at those. They look just like Miss Horton's image. A pyramid. And they have a bunch of them. So cool. All right, friends, Miss Horton, can't wait to see you. I hope you have fun doing your work today. If you have any questions, give Miss Horton a call. Okay, bye.